Alright, today I'm going to do a little lock picking practice. And somebody loaned me this master lock. It's really a nice one. Let's see how much it weighs, first of all. This is a master lock number 5. And it's a nice, big, substantial 14 ounce lock. It's patented, and it is an M5 lock. And it's got that really nice Boron Carbide. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8-sided shackle. I have one key for it, but today I'm going to use just some plain old turning tool. Nothing special for this. See if I can get a timer on it. And the only thing I do with these things is use a little bit of a dry lock lube. Just squirt a little bit in there. Make sure it's lubricated. And on this type of lock, it does have a little bit of give to it. If you push on the shackle that way, you can see it gives about maybe an 1/8 or a 1/16 of an inch. And if you're picking this, you can push on the shackle to relieve some of the tension on the pins. So let's see if I can get this open in less than an hour. I'm just using a plain old turning tool. See if I can get this thing started. Okay, there's the timer. Let's start the timer. Alright, and I'm just using a city rake, because if you turn this thing upside down, it looks like buildings. And I'm going to push down on the shackle just a little bit. Now remember, this is just practice. So there we go. So it took 27 seconds to do this one. So that was fairly easy, but master lock makes a lot of locks that are easy to open. This one people really like because it's heavy and it's supposed to be good. And you can see how good it was at 27 seconds. But I'm still going to give it a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.